Hi, I am Aria from HeroBot. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a messenger greeting message in HeroBot. The greeting message is the first message that an audience can see when they come to your messenger, or when they want to message your Facebook page. Here are the steps on how to create your greeting message for your chatbot. Navigate to the menu, then click Settings, now click on Channels, and go to Facebook Messenger. Navigate to the greeting and click Edit, then enter your greeting message in the given field. Now, if you want to use multi-language greeting messages, click the Language drop-down menu and choose the languages as per your requirement. Do not forget to save your work. And that's it. We just created your greeting message in your chatbot. Let's check it now. There it is. You have now created a nice greeting message. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next video.